Disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I will show you how you can make money by just rent your stocks. So here I will bring the topic like rent stock with the SLBM. So what is the SLBM? So I will tell you in today's video like stock lending and borrowing with the mechanism. So in today's video I will show you how you can make like your interest and your portfolio return, and you will see like you just click to the description link and here you will come to the Dhan platform. Here you will see the like rent stocks via SLBM. So here you will see all the detail over here, like you can check it the benefits of renting stocks on Dhan. So here you will see like risk-free renting. Here you will see like you can get easily returns on this, and this is very free risk. You don't need to worry about your stocks. And here are the instant activation, like if you rent your stock, so you can instantly activate your stocks here. And here you can check the rental insights SLBM screener. So here you will get the screener, like you can check your dashboard screen here, and here the dedicated renting dashboard also available. And here you will see the real-time alerts for the renting. If you enable the notification, you will get the all the high alerts for this. And here you will see the instant settlement and the rent all stocks in the one go. And you will see the here the lowest brokerage was just only 4.99% only. And you will see the advantage of renting via SLBM, like for those who rent only, like those who want to rent, like it's just like the home you giving to the rent. And here you will see that you can earn extra income by just generating the passive returns by the existing stocks by the holdings while lending them to institutional borrowers. Okay, it's like here is the you will get the like zero risk guarantee. And here you will see the complete safety assured, and the all lending transactions are backed by the exchange guarantee and ensuring 100% protection for your holdings. Like you will get here zero risk free guarantee. And here you will see the retain ownership, like you can retain the ownership of your share and benefit from price appreciation. Like you can rent out whenever you want, you will get the rent your income with this. And like here you will see you can borrow also rent, like you can borrow your stocks. If you don't have money, you can borrow them to rent. Like you can short sell or long term, you can do anything. Like this is for the swing traders, they can borrow with the securities like through SLVM, and they can short sell or they can expect prices to fall, like and here is the fulfill delivery obligation. Like if you borrow security from the SLBM, like if you meet with the short delivery requirement to avoid the auction penalty, like here you will the penalty free. And here the cash future arbitrage, like you will get the arbitrage the discount also over here. So here you will see the all detail over here. You can find the stocks, like I will give you the example to understand. Like if the stock price is like 100 rupees, and if you want to rent the like 10 quantity, your rent will be like this the unlock, but I will show you like your the rent receivable will be the 10 quantity, and the renting period you will see you need to unlock amount here. So this is the paid version, like you need to uh, click with the Dhan and you need to log in with it. So here I already log in with the Dhan. So here I will show you like you will get the rent stocks option in the separate section. And here you will see the live now options here, where here you can activate with the Demat account. You just need to click, and the Demat, and you just need to open Demat account only. You don't need to pay any extra charges for this. And here you will see the all stocks name right now, like Black Buck, Rail Vikas Nigam, and Amber Enterprises, and the Voltas, and the RVNL, like and here we'll see the Ashok Leyland stocks and the Mirai Assets, SBI cards. Here you will see many stocks. Like if we give, I will give you the example of like RVNL. And here you will see the like quantity in demand. The quantity in the demand like only 4,125 stocks in demand only. They need it, and it will give you like a 7.50 rupees per share, and you can earn up to 30,000 rupees per month with a yield of 14.12%. If you rent your stock, if you have rent, so you can make offer or you can give your offer. Like if you want to, like I want like 10% or 20%, you can add here. Same as you can choose to borrow. And here you will see the until the trade series, and here you will see all the detail over here. So here you will see like the borrowing demand and the quantity over here, and the open time and the spot price. You will see the rental price of the spot, you will see here. and the period of the amount was 61 days, and you can earn up to 16.23%. The PA and the share was you will see the 0.30 per share, and this is for the just only until 6 Jan 2026. And the in holding, like you will see the all detail, like I have 0 shares yet, so this is the right moment not. So here if you go to the market watch, here you can the market watch like which stocks was the highest rent and the rented quantity you will see here, and you can check the trade value also here, so you can rent कर सकते हो, you can rent here, and you can offer here, and here you will see like your voltage offer, and here you will make offer to, like if you want to offer any your stocks to rent, like I have 2 stocks in my portfolio, ITC or ITC hotel, so I can rent them. My rent income was the 3.48 for the per share, and the spot price also 407. So you will see all the detail over here, and you can borrow your stocks to these, like you will see all the detail over here, so you can check it out all the detail over here. So this is for the today's video. So after ending the video I will tell you guys, so this is just for the demo purpose, I will not recommend you to buy this. So if you make loss or if you make profit, it's your responsibility, or you consult with your financial advisor. If you make any consequences, I'm not responsible for your losses, so invest wisely. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, bye guys.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.